Now today we will take a class 11th physical education unit 6 physical activity and leadership training. In this chapter today we will focus on the qualities of a good leader. The good leader should have a different type of the qualities because on the behalf of these qualities the leader can be success, otherwise the leader can have a problem. So at first leader should have a good sound or good command over others. When the leader have a very good sound or very good command during the assess the group or class, so on that time that sound or the command should be effective on the others. Second one is a good personality. Leader should have a good personality. To see the good personality, other persons or individuals should or must be impressed by the good leader. Third one is a good moral character. Leader should have a very good moral character. He should be impartial and also should have a moral duties, and they have to perform the time to time. Next one is the intelligent. Leader should have a intelligent. They should have a taking much decisions suspectly and the making a good task very satisfactory and sufficiently. Next one is the self discipline. Leader should have a self discipline. Due to that he can give a lesson to the other persons or other groups also or group members also, the lesson of the self discipline. Next one is the determination. Determination means they should have a randomly decision making quality, because at the any situation the leader should have a randomly or recently the decision making quality for the different problem or solution of the different problems. Next one is the inculcate friendship. Inculcate friendship means the leader should have a quality of the inculcate leadership, like sympathy, like honesty or friendship, cooperation, coordination to the others, etc. Next one is the master of physical skills. The leader should have a quality of the demonstration of the physical skills to the others or in front of the others. So that should have a very different quality, or the leader should have a master of the quality of physical skills. Next one is the expressive and optimistic. Leader should have a quality of the express himself in front of the group or in front of the class, and he should be able to understand their views in front of the others. So this quality is a very important for the good leader. Next one is a loyal. The leader should be loyal on his place. He should be always be ready to cooperate and to be motivate the others or individuals of a group. Next one, impartial. Good leader should have an impartial type of the quality, because it should be transparent quality. He should not be in a favor of any in particular person or particular individual. He should be impartial in any situation or in any problem. So these are the some important qualities. On the behalf of that we can say these are the qualities of a good leader. Thank you.